Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Battlefield 6 unknown error code 0. So here's what you're going to do. You want to open search, type in run. In run, you want to type in ncpa.cpl, press enter. Now go to your internet or Wi-Fi, depending what you're using, double click on it. Go to properties. Now you want to click on Internet Protocol version 4, double click on it. Click here, use the following DNS and type in A.8.8.8, and then the second row is A.8.4.4, and you click OK and OK and close this out. Now open search, type in CMD, click run as an administrator, and in here type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Press enter and let it flush the DNS. Now you want to try relaunching the game and see if it works. If it doesn't work, that means that the game is down, like the servers are down. So you want to go to xbox.status or like -status, and you want to here look for account, online, and store, and whatever else. And if there's anything red here, it means it's the server side issue, and you gotta wait it out till they fix the issue and the servers are back and running. And that's about it. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Battlefield 6 error code 0. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.